Fit check. Yeah. My nose is stuffed. But welcome back to day 10 of Gambling My Push-ups, the challenge where 100 followers equals more push-ups for me. And, easy ass day, lightest day ever. Pushed it out all real quick, did everything. And, I think I'm about to go to bed now because of it. That's really it. The weekend's coming up. Hope you all have some great plans. I have some pretty interesting ones. Low-key, just the diet. Just cut off my diet. See y'all later.